beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So today's video is going to be a fun and quick one because I'll be showing you guys how I wear my crossbody bags as fanny packs. So you all know that fanny packs are a huge trend this season, but I'm not gonna spend my cash on any fanny pack because you know these trends come and go, and I don't know if I'll be needing it next year. So if you're like me and you don't want to spend your money on any fanny pack, then this video is for you. Let's jump straight to it. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to show you guys two types of crossbody bags, one with strap adjustment, something like this, and another with just a chain. This one is not adjustable. I'm going to show you guys how I wear this and also how I wear this. If you have this now, you don't have any problem because you can just adjust it until it fits your waist. But with this one is a little bit tricky. This one you'll be needing like a hook, a bag hook. So if you don't have a bag hook, don't worry, you can use your ring. If you have any ring like this that you can open up and close. So let's get started. This is how I wear my crossbody bags as fanny packs. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys with a brand new video.